Hey guys, what is going on? Back with another video, and today I want to do a long-term owner review of this 2018 Mustang GT that I'm currently driving. If you guys haven't known already, I've had this car since late November. I was one of the first people in this area to actually have a 2018 Mustang GT. So with that being said, let me get this video started. If you haven't done so already, please make sure you subscribe down below, and if you have done so, make sure you join the notification squad by hitting that little bell next to the subscribe button as well. This is updated when I post a new video, and honestly it means a lot if you guys subscribe and if you guys like my videos. It just makes me feel sure that you guys want to see my content. So if you haven't done so already, please make sure you do that, and yeah, let's get started with the topic of the video. So right now I have about 3,500 miles on the car, and I had it for, I would say, give or take 5 months of ownership. And in that 5 months, I've had absolutely no problems. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you what are my, favorite features of the car, and what are my least favorite features of the car since ownership. So my car is a fully spec'd out 2018 Mustang GT, and I did get the manual transmission. So what that's going to give me is a digital dash, and throughout the whole ownership experience of the car, this digital dash, I would say, has been my favorite feature from upgrading from a 2015 Mustang to a 2018 Mustang GT. With that being said, there are many different features of this interior that make this car better than a 2015 Mustang in so much aspects. And I'm going to give you a couple examples right now. So the first way the 2018 Mustang is superior to the 2015 through 2017 Mustangs is going to be the quality of the materials used inside the interior. And if you have a fully spec'd out GT, you're going to get, the leather wrapped center console. You're going to get, the soft touch materials over here. And you're also going to get, the higher quality leather, which is standard on, all the 2018 Mustangs as of right now. The second reason why the 2018 Mustang is superior to the 2015 through 2017 Mustang, in my experience, is definitely going to be the upgraded shaker audio system. And in the 15 through 17 Mustang, it was good, but the changes they made to it for the 2018 Mustang make it sound pretty good. And I've honestly never heard a sound system this good in a stock Mustang. Obviously, you can upgrade the sound system to make it probably 10 times better, but I'm saying for a stock car, it's really hard to beat this sound system. And the third way that I found out that I really like this car over the previous gen cars is definitely going to be the upgrade in technology. So you're going to have, flip it over here, you're going to have the heated steering wheel function, as well you're going to have the digital gauge clusters, and you're going to have, the new frameless mirror system that's auto dimming, as well as all the cameras are going to be right behind the mirror as well. And honestly, the upgrade in technology in this car, I can see where your money is going. So obviously it's an expensive car, but with all the technology that's packed into this car, you don't feel like you're getting ripped off or getting robbed. With all that being said, well, out of the 3,500 miles I drove in this car so far, I've never regret the day I bought this car, and especially in the manual transmission as well. While the automatic is still, I think, superior to this manual transmission, it's still a ton of fun, and you can't go wrong with buying this manual transmission. So yeah, that's gonna wrap up pretty much my short owner review of the 2018 Mustang GT. If you have any questions whatsoever, just drop it in the description down below. But the best thing about these Mustangs are, if you ever get bored of any aspect of your car, as well as, the performance, the sound, the way it looks, the aftermarket community in this car is so big, you can change literally your whole car as long as your bank account permits. And that's the struggle. I mean, the parts are super expensive for these cars these days, but if you got the money for it, you can transform these cars into anything you want. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Side note, guys, just made it over to the gas station, and look what I have to go through just to get some gas. It's crazy. I swear, I burn more gas waiting in this line than I do if I just, just go to the other gas station across the street and just fill up for a couple of cents more. Honestly, I think I might just start doing that, because I don't have 40 minutes to wait in a gas line these days.